This is the most exciting time in SMEC's history. They're making a huge impact on industry. And I'm here with Sander from the Netherlands. You're the distributor for the Netherlands, aren't you, Sander?
Correct. We've been a distributor for over a decade now for SMEC. And this is really an exciting time to be here because we have a lot of new models here and we have a lot of new technology that is being shown here. So yeah, this is definitely an exciting time to be here.
It really is. I want to find out a little bit more about your market and what machines are really popular. But first of all, what is it about SMEC machines that sell so well? What is unique about them personally?
Well, personally, I think the uniqueness of SMEC is that they really listen to what the customer needs, and they really listen to us as a dealer. We translate what our customers need back to Korea, and they really translate that to the R&D development, so they make the machines that actually meet what the customer needs. So that is what we really think is unique about the SMEC machines. Yeah.
And Sander, how do you sell the SMEC machines? You know, what conversations are you having when you go, they need a SMEC?
Well, I think everybody needs a SMEC, but I think what really stands out is that they need a reliable and future-proof partner. So they need someone that is proven to have good service, good quality, but also for the long term, a stable and reliable agreement.
You know what, with our, you know, what we've learned from SMEC as well, they're here and they're here to stay, and that's exactly the statement that they're making.
Correct, yep, definitely.
So what machines would you say are quite popular that you're selling?
Well, we have the SL2500 SY, which is a very popular machine in the Netherlands. That is a double spindle machine with Y-axis. It's really versatile in what it can do. The product size range is large, so a lot of customers can use that machine, and that is, I think, one of the most popular machines at this moment. Yeah.
And what industries and trends are happening in the Netherlands as well?
Well, at the moment we see the market is a bit challenging, like the rest of the world, so our customers face challenges just like everybody else at the moment with everything that's going on in the world, so they need a reliable partner and a reliable machine brand that really makes a statement at times like this, in uncertain times, and show that they are there and they're ready to support the customer in what they need.
So what would be your final word then to tell everyone watching this? Why SMEC?
Why SMEC is because they have a large variety of machines. They are flexible, especially in the Netherlands. We have great customer service and we have a lot of options on the machine, a lot of difference in controls. We have Mitsubishi, Fanuc, Siemens. We have the new Siemens #1 control, which is great. I mean, look at all the machines here.
I mean, it is spectacular. You've got choice and you've got support with SMEC.